Getting pulled over in Kansas can feel routine until it's not. 1 minute it's a taillight, the next you're being questioned, searched, or detained longer than necessary. Today we're breaking down Kansas traffic stop rights, what you must provide, what you do not have to do, and how officers will use your words against you, because make no mistake, this is not about serving and protecting. This is about fines, fishing expeditions, and control. Under Kansas law, during a traffic stop you are legally required to provide a valid driver's license, vehicle registration, proof of insurance. That's it. You are not required to answer questions like, where are you coming from? Where are you going? Have you had anything to drink? Do you know why I stopped you? Those questions are not friendly conversation. They are evidence-gathering tools. Yes, Kansas follows federal precedent. If an officer lawfully orders you out of the vehicle, you must comply. This does not mean they can search your car. It does not mean you're under arrest. It simply means the courts allow officers to control the scene, not your rights. Absolutely yes. Before exiting, roll up the windows, lock the vehicle, take your keys with you. Why? Because once you're out, officers love claiming, I smelled marijuana. Locking your vehicle limits access and forces consent or probable cause. This is a defensive move, not suspicious behavior. Yes, you must stand or sit where the officer directs. But understand this clearly, compliance with positioning does not waive your rights. It only prevents escalation. Once documents are returned, the traffic stop is over. Ask clearly and calmly, am I being detained? If they say no, you are free to leave. If they say yes, they must articulate R.A.S. This question draws a legal line officers do not like crossing. R.A.S. means reasonable articulable suspicion. Here's the key. A traffic violation IS are asked for the stop. It is not R.A.S. for prolonging the stop. Once the reason for the stop is handled, detention must end. Kansas courts, following federal precedent, have ruled that officers cannot extend a stop to ask unrelated questions, call for AK-9, fish for consent. Without new R.A.S., that detention becomes unlawful. Two major rulings back this up. Rodriguez versus United States. Police cannot extend a traffic stop beyond its mission without independent R.S. State versus Coleman. Confirms Kansas follows the federal standard on stop duration and scope. The courts have been clear fishing expeditions are not allowed. Kansas officers are trained to talk you into mistakes. Silence protects you. Politeness protects you. Knowledge protects you. You don't win roadside debates, you win by not giving evidence. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're ready before the lights come on. And if you want to see real-world police interactions broken down frame by frame, check out Lackluster, Audit the Audit, Long Island Audit, The Civil Rights Attorney. Stay calm, stay quiet, stay free.